We often see in the Treasure Valley, Boise, Nampa, Meridian, Eagle, this area, the way that homes are built, especially two-story houses, they'll have one system, ducted system for upstairs and downstairs. And so what happens is they're not able to use the upstairs because it gets too hot in the summertime and it's not the right temperature in the wintertime. So a really good solution for that is going to be a ductless heat pump mini split system where we have a very efficient indoor unit with a really efficient outdoor unit. And it's going to make that living space a lot more comfortable. Last year, we provided about 100 homes with spaces that weren't livable to spaces that are now livable that they're able to use, 200 up to 1,200 square feet where they were never able to use before. They're now able to have a game room, maybe a man cave, an office space. More people are working from home, things like that. So, we like to say ductless heat pump, one room, one area, or the whole house. They're really a good option for any uncomfortable areas in any type of home. Also additions, maybe mother-in-law suites, things like that. We can make those comfortable with our heat pump solutions.